little pro tip here. It's hard to hook up implements with the quick connect on this TYM. It's hard to see, so you can see the little bit of red I put down on these forks right there. I painted some red there right here so I could see it from the cab. So I'll just put this point here with this here. I can see that from the cab, and that tells me this will all line up, and then the other side will line up too. I'll try to do this one-handed. You can see that point where the red is. Oh, too high. I just scoop it up like that, and I can see my other side also. Now they're both hooked in. Good to go. Pro tip of the day.